Royal College Colombo taking on St. Joseph's College Colombo. Two big schools. It's going to be a big game of cricket. The all-important final.
It's slightly hard. You get a little bit of dryness and a bit of moisture that's in the pitch. So it's going to be interesting to see.
ටේල්ස් ලෙස ඉල්ලීම කරනවා. යනුව රිෂ්මා අමරසිංහ ජයග්‍රහණය කරන කාසිවාසිය. රිෂ්මා මොකද්ද ඔබේ තීරණය?
අපි මුලින් බැට් කරනවා.
Have won the toss and elected to bat first on this surface in this 3-day encounter.
4. Batter. Oh, gone. I was just talking about it.
That's clipped away on the onside. That would have been a brilliant side of the field. That's good bowling. Right in the block hole. And he's gone. He's gone a leading edge. Oh, that's a close one. He's given him. I thought that was very close soon as it hit the pad.
Runner flicked away in there. Couple of bouncers. Given with.
Short and wide this time. Nicely cut away from Vekunugoda.
There we see. Just called. We're back again here. And Amarasinghe pulls that one, and that will go all the way. It's hot and humid conditions. And once again pulls it in front of square, and that's the boundary.
Played very nicely by skipper.
Hirun Lianarachi to continue. As Rishma Amarasinghe pounces on that poor delivery, and that
Initiated this 3-day cricket. Oh, brilliant shot. Came out. Got underneath it.
There you go. The chance is created straight away, but again.
Yeah, it was right in between Vevalwala and missed.
Beautifully tucked off his legs. It's running down to the square leg boundary this time. What a stroke that was from Rishma Amarasinghe.
that's why punished outside the off stump again.
Employs the sweep.
There we see that reverse sweep coming.
Slapped into the offside. Quite easy. Takes it on the full. That's quite easy.
There we see that single which brings up the half century for the skipper Amarasinghe.
Just 76 balls. He's 50. It has been a very good innings. You said he's not scored many runs in the recent past.
Use. This time though, it's a great stroke. He gets trick. Amarasinghe goes for his favorite shot once again. There you go. Vekunugoda goes big and he clears the mid wicket.
Break this partnership. Once again driven firmly, and this will go away. Yeah, that's given. That's it. Well, that will be the century for Senuja Vekunugoda. He's batted really well to take St. Joseph's out of trouble, and he's got himself a well-deserving 3-figure mark. Managed to put on the brakes on the runs, and as we speak, Chaitanya Kavinda.
This time nicely played using the pace of the bowler.
Good looking shot. Beautifully played. Right on top of. Changing his angle. Sorry, Roscoe. Flipped away. This could be another boundary. Session, we had 35 overs, so that's a very good rate by Royal. 120 runs.
It was shared in that first session as Royal picked up 3 wickets, but
Day 1 is called off due to bad weather. St. Joseph's College won the toss and batted first. Take a look at the bowling card of the Royal College.